When you first log into Sententia World to attend the GamiCon 48V, you will simply need to add your name and then select Join as Guest. This brings you to Sententia World headquarters. Note that the chat window is open and that for the icon on the tool panel is green with the black icon. The white icons mean that you haven't selected them yet. When you first select your microphone or camera to turn them on, you'll receive a message up here in your address bar to turn on your microphone. Go ahead and follow that prompt. You'll only have to do it one time. As you can see, I've done this and it works without my following the prompt. Most of the time you will go to the Imaginarium. The Imaginarium is the center of the Sententia World. Notice that again, each time you log in, it'll have your name and you join as guest. When you do that, your avatar will appear. In this case, it looks like it's sitting in a chair. These circles are seats, and you can use them to move around to different places in the world. There are question marks that have prompts in them to help you understand how things work. This helps you see that this is a doorway. All the doorways lead to other parts of the world. For example, this is the auditorium doorway. This is the throwdown showcase doorway. Over here we have the sponsor doorway. This is the doorway to go back to the Sententia World lobby. We have our GamiCon playbook. This contains a lot of instructions and information to help you both navigate and learn the system and learn how to do things within this conference. You should also by now have received a PDF version of this playbook that you can use on your own. Let's return. The globe is also a navigation, and it leads to the story about GamiCon 48, where you'll meet different characters and you can learn more about this great event. We're going to return to the lobby of the Imaginarium, and I'm going to return to the Sententia World campus. Sententia Gamification, this is the website for Sententia Gamification. Game Garage, this is where we have 2 events a month with about gamification and with all kinds of presentations. Imaginarium, of course, we visited. The help desk is just that. It's a place for you to go to get questions answered. There will be a champion there, somebody in one of the circles to talk with you. There's also a chat bot that can answer a lot of questions. The Trade Winds Marketplace, this is where the throwdown and the showcase is going to be. The arcade is a fun place to go where you can not only talk with people about gamification, but you can actually play games. We'll have several games there for people to play. The museum contains more information about Sententia World and about the conference. The Brain Brew Cafe is a great place to go if you want to talk with other people. You can turn your microphone and camera on here. You can meet other people in the seats. You can even come down to the networking room, which is a breakout area. Notice how the different colored seats, when you select that seat, you might be able to see other avatars in the room, but you're only going to be able to hear the conversation for the people that are at your table. You want to move to a different table, just select the circle and move. Notice that it explains to you where you are. Always select the silver slippers to return to the conference. In this case, we went back to the Imaginarium. And then I can go back to Sententia World. And that's our tour for today.